Hi, I'm Tessa. So you're ready to downsize where you live, but why not upsize how you live? Let me introduce you to the villas of Meadow View, our new luxury villa community in Streetsboro. In these new homes, lifestyle is the top priority. One-level living never looked so good, and the price for a brand new home's never been this affordable. Choose between 4 home designs with up to 3 bedrooms and a 2-car attached garage. Luxury finishes and details like granite kitchen countertops, stainless steel appliances, and stone accented exteriors are all included. What's also included is your landscaping with a lawn care package and snow removal. You'll have much more time to enjoy your new active lifestyle in the scenic wooded community. Outside of the villas of Meadow View, all the best of Streetsboro, Hudson, and Aurora are literally minutes away. You're surrounded by great shopping, dining, golf courses, and parks. I-480 and 80 are conveniently located as well, with easy access to Cleveland. So don't just downsize your home, upsize your lifestyle at the villas of Meadow View.